As technology advances, it gets closer to life itself. Drawing inspiration from life, a new aesthetic experience starts with finding the perfect form. Uniform rounded corners create a more comfortable visual atmosphere. Bright colors inspired by plants and flowers awaken a sense of vitality. Our reimagined rendering technology makes light transitions feel richer, creating a unique glass-like texture by refracting light and shadow in real time, blending reality and fantasy. Inspired by arts, animations are light, dynamic, and smooth. Our weather rendering engine seamlessly transitions between the elements in real time. The future is clear and bright. Classical arts and designs can be used to set digital lock screens and create your own private art gallery. Inclusive, diverse, and designed with users from all over the world in mind. Technology and art blend together to create a rejuvenated aesthetic brimming with life.
Xiaomi.